Ever wondered what it's like to shape young minds and inspire the next generation? Well, today you're about to find out. Join me as I take you behind the scenes of a day in my life as an educator, where every moment is a chance to learn, laugh, and make a difference. From lesson planning to lively classroom interactions and the little surprises that comes with teaching, no 2 days are ever the same. Ready to step into my world? Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Opuni. Thank you for subscribing to this amazing channel. As you can see, I'm at work. So I'm just kind of documenting a day in my life, okay, as a Nigerian living in Lagos. So guys, I hope you do enjoy this vlog. Like and subscribe, okay? So who says teachers don't have a life? Okay, so every day once I get to work, I say brief prayers, then I kind of do an outfit check. Okay, just to record what I wear. I put on every day so I don't get to repeat it all the time. So yeah, I pick up my duster. I go straight to my board and wipe it thoroughly, ensuring that it is properly neat and sparkling clean for the day's activity. Once I'm done with that, I just definitely put up my date on the board and the subject topic for the first period. Okay, I also roll my border lines as well. Then I put up my words for the week, so that just to remind the kids of what they are to do day by day. Very important for me is my table, our classroom setup, seating setup. So I always arrange their tables before they come into school. It just makes them know that, oh, I am ready for today's activity. Once students come in seeing a class that is neat and ready, they also have that mindset to be ready as well. So I have two colors in my class, two colors of tables, so I always combine both colors. I also help for collaboration, helping children work together. I take away everything that is irrelevant at the moment and put their writing resources and materials. After that, I just move to the assembly. So guys, we're done. We had a debate. Just keep watching. And it was exciting anyway. The kids had to spell, the parent had to spell words ranging from different topics, subjects, and all of that. And they had a spell time, very short time. So right now I'm in my classroom, and I'm going to mark my scripts and then kind of put them together so that my pupils will be able to take home some of their scripts. Somebody's buying polo. Somebody's buying polo. I need you not today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. So occasionally I step out of my classroom to ensure that my pupils' school bags and backpacks are not on the floor but are rather hung. Children will always be children. Sometimes they forget to hang back the bags when they take out things from them and they keep it on the floor. But they'll grow into it. They'll grow to learn that, oh, when I take things out of somewhere, I have to put them back, neatly. So the same thing applies to my shelf. I go to my shelf, and like ensure I arrange my books. Sometimes it's not easy, honestly. As an educator, you just have to keep all of those things in mind. So fams, if you've watched this video to this very point, kindly give us a thumbs up, like the video, comment, and then subscribe to this very channel. Thank you so much. Bye.